Hi my beautiful people, how you guys doing today? Welcome to Annie's Kitchen. Guys, in today's video we'll be making spaghetti. Yeah, to all my subscribers, my old subscribers, I say thank you, God bless you all. To my new subscribers, I say thank you, God bless you all. We are really doing well. You guys are doing well. You are making me proud. Thank you so much, guys. Please, if you just turning in, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. So in today's video we'll be making spaghetti. Yeah, this is the spaghetti. You all know this spaghetti. So the ingredients we'll be using for this spaghetti is tomatoes. We'll be using tomatoes. We'll be using chicken. This is boneless chicken. It's boneless. It's very soft. So yeah, and we'll be using sausage, already dyed sausage. We'll be using green pepper. Yeah, then we'll be using onion. This is the onion we'll be using, and of course we'll be adding carrot to it. Okay guys, come with me, let's get started.